Hello and welcome to Play PKN, the weekly video bulletin of the top news stories on PKN Packaging News, Australia's media hub for the packaging industry. I'm PKN's publisher Lindy Hewson, and this week's episode is brought to you once again by Ball & Doggett, Australia's largest distributor of printable materials for packaging and the creator of the Ecoporium by Ball & Doggett platform. Well, first up in the news today, Jamestrong, the manufacturer of metal cans for leading Australian and international brands, has partnered with the University of New South Wales Sustainable Materials Research and Technology Centre, that's the SMaRT Centre, on a new project that is set to revolutionise aluminium manufacturing and recycling in Australia. The Green Aluminium Microfactory project will see the deployment of thermal disengagement technology, which has been developed by the UNSW SMaRT Centre and which now, with Jamestrong's support, is a step closer to commercialisation. Through this technology, aluminium can be recovered from a range of mixed waste feedstocks, including waste packaging. Funded by Jamestrong and UNSW through the federal government-sponsored Trailblazer for Recycling and Clean Energy, that's TRACE, program, the Green Aluminium Partnership will commercialise UNSW's SMaRT Centre's advanced microfactory recycling technology by integrating it into Jamestrong's can manufacturing process at its plant in Taree, New South Wales, which currently manufactures more than 100 million aerosol cans per year. Next up, Pact Group has extended its existing 7-year-old contract to own, operate, wash and store a crate pool for Woolworths Group by another 10 years. The deal with Woolies, which is worth more than $50 million a year, has been running since 2016 and will now extend beyond the end of the decade to 2033. The plastic produce crates are used by Woolworths in its fruit and vegetable supply chain. The crates circulate in a continuous loop from suppliers' pack houses to Woolworths distribution centres and into stores, replacing traditional single-use corrugated cardboard, waxed cardboard and expanded polystyrene boxes. Pact's reusable crates are designed to be used about 140 times before being recycled. Now, this builds on another deal, of course, already inked with Woolworths, Pact, whereby Pact sources PET and HDPE resin from its domestic recycling facilities to manufacture new food and beverage packaging for Woolworths. So a really strong partnership. Over in New Zealand, an almost total rebuild of Visy's Auckland material recovery facility and installation of new sorting technology has seen an increase of capacity by 30%. The facility is now equipped for precise and comprehensive sourcing, strengthening recycling in the region and allowing Visy to create higher quality output and capture more resource from New Zealand's mixed household recycling. The $16 million upgrade, which took over 8 weeks to complete, was made possible with the support of Auckland Council and the Ministry for the Environment. Now for some quick updates on other headline makers this week. Of course, this big news this week was that it was trade show foodpro, and PKN was there alongside our sister brand Food and Drink Business, capturing the sights and sounds from the show floor on podcast, on video and in our online reporting. You can head to our website to see who we bumped into on the packaging beat, the likes of Tetra Pak, Det Pak, Cospack, Flexopack, label makers and many, many more. A successful show all round, well done to the organisers. Then in a development from beverage brand Sprite, after nearly 60 years, the iconic green plastic bottles will now switch to clear plastic, making them easier to recycle into new bottles in Australia. Brand owner Coca-Cola Australia says the switch will increase the likelihood of the bottles being remade into new bottles, giving them a second life and, of course, keeping them out of landfill. Then to Cooper's Brewery, who has engaged the design agency Cowan Australia to update the design of its vintage ale packaging to reflect the brewery's new brand ahead of the Seasonal Ales 2023 release. Cooper says the new packaging features elements that befit vintage ale's position in the premium craft category. And finally, just a reminder that hot off the press, the PKN Packaging News July-August 2023 issue is on its way to you in the mail. It's also available on our website online for your convenience. The issue's striking cover plus 6-page gatefold outer cover is the result of a collaborative effort to showcase the new HP Indigo V12 digital press. You can read all about it in our cover story. Wayne Robinson checked out what's under the hood of this disruptive new technology. The outer cover concept was designed by Birdstone Collective, printed on Ecofoil Digital, supplied by Spices, and printed and finished by Carbonate with technology supplied by HP Indigo and Curry Group. You'll find our review of Interpack inside here in a 10-page feature along with the latest developments in pack and label printing, smart packaging, snack and convenience packaging, and smart factories. And of course, our special supplement Machinery Matters produced for APMA. Well, that is all from me for this week. For more on these and other stories, head over to our website, packagingnews.com.au. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to read your issue, and I will be taking a short break, so I won't be here next week, but I'll see you the week after. That's all from me, Lindy Hewson, signing off.